What if you could trade stocks just by having a conversation? Today I'm putting a platform called Rockflow and its AI assistant Bobby to its ultimate test. They claim it's a 24/7 AI investment assistant that lets you put orders, watch the market, and even build entire portfolios using plain English. Sounds a little too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, enough talk. Let's jump in and see if it lives up to the hype. I'm on the Rockflow platform at bobby.rockflow.te, and this is what the interface looks like: clean, chat-based, and absolutely simple. Before we dive into the features, let me just show you how easy it is to get started. First up, and honestly the coolest feature, is this conversational trading. Here you just tell Bobby what you want, just like you're sending a text. Okay, watch this. I want to buy some Apple stocks. I'm just gonna type buy 10 shares of Apple at the market price. That's what I'm gonna say. Press enter, and now let's just see what Bobby does. So you can see right now it is thinking, and it is saying that, hey, I see you already have grabbed some Apple shares, but plot twist, your account has $2 available, and Apple's latest price is around $248. So basically it is saying that in my account currently there are not enough funds to place this order. So what we'll do, we'll buy a small fraction of Apple shares, like worth $2, because currently our total funds in this account are only $2. So I've just asked it to buy Apple shares worth $2. Press enter, and now let's just see what it does. So right now you can see for $2 I can buy around 0.006 shares, and here is the option to confirm orders. I can simply press on this confirm orders, and now it will just confirm this order. So right now you can see our order is confirmed, and it is saying you are officially on your way to become an Apple shareholder. Well, at least a proud owner of 0.006 shares. Now if I just click on this view my assets link, you can see it will open a new page, and it will ask me to download the mobile app for Bobby. You can install Bobby app on your Android and on your iPhone. Now let's try something more complex, like a limit order. So I will type get me into Tesla with the limit order at $240. So now I'll just press enter, and now let's just see what it does. Since we only have $0.31 left in our account, and Rockflow's rules say limit orders for US stocks require at least one whole share. No fractional shares allowed for limit orders. And Tesla's current price is at around $434. So you got the idea. Whether it's US stocks, options, market orders, or limit orders, you say it and Bobby does it. For a beginner, this is a game changer, and for an experienced trader, this level of speed is just addictive. Okay, trading is easy, but what to trade? This brings me to the second feature that blew my mind, which is market monitoring. Bobby can track what's happening across the social media, Twitter, Reddit, financial forums, and alerts you to trending stocks, sentiment shifts, and potential opportunities. Let me demonstrate the social signals feature. I will ask Bobby what stocks are trending on X right now. So here we are on Bobby. I'll just enter my question in here, press enter, and now let's just see how Bobby is going to find the trending stocks on Twitter. Like now it is called X. So right now you can see what is trending on X right now. So here are the results from Bobby based on the freshest info from X and recent market buzz. The stocks lighting up social media are mostly tech giants, meme legends, and viral movers. Here's the breakdown. So tech titans include NVDA, Apple, Microsoft, Meta Platforms, and Tesla. Similarly, meme and viral stocks include GameStop, AMC Entertainment, Trump Media and Technology, Reddit, and Marathon Digital. Similarly, there are social media and ad stocks as well. Bobby has also figured out why these stocks are trending. So tech stocks are rebounding, and meme stocks are always a roller coaster. Social media stocks like Meta and Snap are in the spotlight due to revenue growth and platform updates. Bobby has also curated some watchlists and AI portfolios that match the Twitter hype. So I can simply just click on these links to visit these watchlists. Similarly, Bobby is suggesting us the trending on Twitter AI portfolio. So here's a spicy AI portfolio inspired by what's trending on Twitter right now. It's a mix of tech, meme, and social media stocks. So here you can see this portfolio is trending on Twitter, and you can see it contains NVIDIA, Apple, Tesla, Meta Platforms, Microsoft, GameStop, and all these other companies. So now if I want to trade any of these stocks, I can just like tell Bobby, and Bobby will place the order. So Bobby basically scours social media in real time and shows me the most discussed stocks, the sentiments around them, and whether institutional investors or retail traders are driving the conversation. Now here's something powerful. I can ask Bobby what has Elon Musk recently posted on X and how might it affect my portfolio. So I've just entered my question in here. I'll simply just press enter, and now let's just see what Bobby will do. So Bobby is responding. Let's dive into Muskiverse. Elon Musk's X feed is basically a roller coaster. Sometimes it's a meme, sometimes it's market moving madness. Here's the latest scoop and how it could shake up your portfolio. So first, Bobby is showing what Elon Musk has recently posted on X. So the first thing he has posted is Bitcoin endorsement and energy talk. So Musk has been hyping up Bitcoin again and saying it's based on energy and impossible to fake, which is a big U-turn from his previous crypto skepticism. He's also warning about fiat currency debasement due to AI arms race and government spending. The second important thing Musk has posted is X platform AI algorithm update. So Musk has announced that X will soon roll out a fully AI-driven recommendation algorithm aiming to make your feed smarter and more personalized. Then he has posted about XAI and gaming, viral AI content, Netflix drama, and a lot of other stuff. You know Elon Musk. So now it is analyzing how might this affect your portfolio, crypto and tech exposure. If you're holding Bitcoin or crypto related stocks, Musk's renewed bullishness could spark more retail interest and volatility. But remember, Musk tweet can pump or dump prices in minutes, so don't YOLO. Your life savings are based on mood swings. Then it is suggesting us what to do. So it is asking us to stay diversified and monitor volatility. So basically, based on all of the recent tweets from Elon Musk, Bobby is suggesting us what to do. And let's suppose if you're holding too many stocks and if any of Elon Musk tweet is going to affect any of our stocks, so Bobby will just like inform us. It's a real-time agent working on background 24/7, analyzing the market trends and making sure that your investments are safe. Now let's talk about AI portfolio creation. This might be Bobby's most impressive feature. So you can ask Bobby something like create moderate risk portfolio with 10,000 focused on tech stocks with 15% expected annual returns, something like that. So here's my prompt to create a moderate risk portfolio with 10,000 focused on tech stocks with 15% expected annual returns. It also mentioned that we are not YOLOing into meme stocks or penny stocks. We want established tech leaders and sprinkle of innovation, up and commerce. About 15% expected annual returns. Bobby has mentioned that it's an ambitious goal. Historically, only the best tech stocks, think like NVDA, Apple, Microsoft, etc., have managed this over long periods, especially during AI boom. But hey, fortune favors the bold. Then it has also considered this requirement, which is tech focus, so cloud, AI, semiconductor, software, and internet services. So based on our requirements, Bobby conducted a detailed analysis and it then created this portfolio. The first one should be NVIDIA. So this is the portfolio that Bobby has created. So it's a balanced tech portfolio targeting 15% annual returns, blending AI chip leaders, cloud giants, and next-gen innovators. So it is diversified across semiconductors, softwares, and internet platforms for moderate risk and high upsides. Another powerful feature is ProConnect. This helps you find and follow top performing traders on the platform. So I can ask Bobby to show me the best performing traders in tech stocks. Bobby will rank the traders based on their returns, consistency, and risk-adjusted performance. I can see their win rates, average returns, and trading strategies. If I find a trader whose style matches mine, I can follow their trades or even set up an auto copy trading where Bobby automatically replicates their position in my account. This is incredible for learning from successful investors and potentially improving your own returns by following the proven strategies. Let's talk about automated trading. If you don't have time to actively trade, Bobby can handle it for you. You can set up an auto trade instructions like buy Microsoft if it drops below $380 and sell it if it rises $420. Bobby will set this up as an automated strategy. It monitors the price 24/7 and execute the trades when conditions are met. No manual interventions needed. You can create complex strategies like sell half my position if a stock gains 20% and set stop loss at 10% below entry. So Bobby understands and executes these multi-condition orders automatically. There is also an earnings decoder feature. During earnings session, Bobby helps you navigate the volatility. So for example, I can ask what earning reports are coming up this week and which should I pay attention to. So Bobby lists upcoming earnings, historical performance patterns, and analyze expectations and suggest strategies whether to hold, buy before earning, or wait for the reaction. For each stock, Bobby can craft tailored strategies based on your risk profile. For example, buy a protective put before Tesla earnings to hedge downside risk while maintaining upside exposure. So this kind of strategic advice personalized to your portfolio and risk tolerance is what makes Bobby from Rockflow feels like a professional advisor, not just a trading tool. One more thing that I want to highlight is Bobby learns from you. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your preferences, risk tolerance, and trading patterns. If I consistently favor growth stocks over value stocks, Bobby picks up on that and adjusts its recommendations accordingly. If I prefer swing trading over day trading, Bobby tailors its alerts and strategies to match. This personalized experience improves over time, making Bobby genuinely feel like your personal assistant. So after testing Bobby, here's what I think. The conversational trading interface is a game changer. Being able to place complex orders just by typing or speaking naturally removes so much friction from the trading process. The social media and forum tracking is incredibly variable. Bobby surfaces information and trends that would take hours to find manually. The AI portfolio builder is impressive, not just because it's fast, but because it shows back-tested data and lets you evaluate performance before committing. And automated trading and personalized learning make this feel like a true investment partner. So who is Bobby for? If you're a beginner intimidated by traditional platforms, this is perfect. If you are an experienced trader who values speed and efficiency, you will love it. And if you want to learn from top traders and automated strategies, Bobby delivers. If you're ready to try it, just go to bobby.rockflow.te or just click on the link in description. You can use it to sign up and start exploring. If you found this review helpful, hit like and subscribe. I test AI tools and automation platforms. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section. I see you next video. Bye bye.